Discover the magic of microfiber, an unassuming hero in the world of kitchen cleaning. Microfiber cloths, with their science-backed design, outperform traditional cloths, leaving your kitchen surfaces shining while showing grime the door. Imagine wiping down countertops with no streaks, cutting through kitchen grease like a hot knife through butter. That's microfiber in action for you. But wait, there's more. With proper care, these cloths last longer than your favorite sitcom reruns. Washing and drying them is a breeze, and with a few tips, you can prolong their life, making them a sustainable choice. Microfiber is not just for cleaning. It's a versatile superstar, perfect for polishing stainless steel appliances, drying dishes without leaving lint, and even cleaning screens. Yes, it's the Swiss Army knife of cloths. And if you're worried about the cost, fret not. Microfiber is not just eco-friendly, it's also pocket-friendly, giving those expensive paper towels a run for their money. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the microfiber revolution in kitchen cleaning today and make your life easier, cleaner, and a bit more fun. Because in the future, we predict kitchens will be ruled by microfiber. Now, isn't that a clean sweep?